mano.
A few moments later. Run.
What was that? You rode in the middle lane and then cut into mine. You gotta watch, man. You could kill me, man. It's all good. I'm not mad. Just like use your blinker to indicate which lane you're gonna choose and then stay in that one. I could have died, dude. Yeah, me too. You have a blessed evening though. I'm not mad. I just no worries. You have a blessed one, man.
Como que se faz isso, caralho? Cadê a seta? Cadê a seta? Encosta aqui.
She was actually like amazed. You okay? Sorry? I doubt anyone's going to be going 60 down here. Listen, I'm just practicing. I don't mean to cause any harm. You can ask me politely. You're in front of your kid. Oh, do you live in this bush right here or something? Come on, man, just be polite. Oh, listen, I will happily move. I'm just trying to practice. I'm doing something positive. I'm trying to practice. Huh? Phone the police, you flipping idiot. I feel sorry for your f***ing kid. Boring old bitch. I'm leaving to get out of your hair and so we don't waste anyone's time. We clearly see that it's not welcome here. We thought it wasn't busy, so we thought, you know, I'll practice. Listen, you need to be a good example to your child and handle situations better. Huh? Not prattling around. Not prattling around. You're holding up the traffic. You're causing more problems than I've ever caused. Sorry, you're gonna have to go faster. Just got a bit emotional because we come here to practice. Thought it was a quiet road. Anyway, just check on her, make sure she's calm. Yeah? Yeah.
I'm trying to see what you want to do, but I can't right now. Bro. Oh. Alright. I'ma let that go. Whoa. Now.
maluco.
Ô, louco, cara.
Ai, meus cocos.
You've got kids in your car. Put your phone down while you're driving.
With you, man. You shut your mouth.
What?
You shut your mouth.
No, you put your phone down. Got you on camera. Got your license plate too, and your kid.
¿En serio? Uh-oh.
That's what speed does around that curve.
So here's the deal. I need driver's license because the deputy you passed had you at about 100 miles an hour. This ain't a road you plan on. We just transported the guy right now. I don't think
That's 50 back there?
that's around the corner.
From Zumbro Falls up to the highway is 50.
Oh,
Yes, yes, sir.
wow, okay.
So the deputy you passed had you guys, group of 3, at about 100.
Okay.
Whether it is or isn't, we're having a little conversation.
Yeah.
I'm not writing any tickets, just so we're clear.
And I know
What-
they estimated him at 80.
What happened?
He's going around the curve too fast. Come around that one and lost it.
Yeah.
Don't know if the wind hit him or just couldn't hand it. But he was with he was leading what, about 20
Oh,
20 bikes through here.
big.
Is he getting airlifted?
Helicopter can't fly in this wind.
Maybe let's see.
Yep.
So honestly, how fast were you coming around the corner? It wasn't 50.
This corner?
Yeah.
I really don't know.
Yeah, it's 50 miles an hour.
Okay.
I know these are a blast. I know why you guys come over here and ride Highway 60, but it's 50 miles an hour.
Yeah.
So take care.
I will.
There's the finger shake. Slow down. I don't
Thank
want to
you
pick
very
one of you up off the highway.
Yeah.
Take care.
Safe, guys.
We will.